Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this anchor clip. We have a isometric drawing, and you can see that I have already made it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same. So this tutorial is designed for the beginner user of a FreeCAD, those who have just started learning the part modeling. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and I will insert a body, and I will on my origin plane, and I will select this front plane and create my base sketch. And we will create this profile. So we will use the rectangle tool to create a rectangle, and then I will draw the vertical and horizontal line, and I will delete this line, click on trim, and I will also trim it, and select the line tool, create a line, make this perpendicular and join it. And now here we will select this and this and add a parallel. We will select this line and this line and add a perpendicular, and let's give the dimensions. So first one is of thickness. Let's give this 8 mm, and we will move it, select this and add a vertical 8 mm, and select this line and add angular constraint of 60. Let's move it and select this line and click on dimension and give it 8 mm. Select this line and add the dimension of 50. Let's move it, and from this point to this point is of 58. Move it and select this line and add a vertical of 25. So we have a fully constrained sketch. We will come out of the sketch. So here is a exit sketch option. We will come out of it, select the sketch and click on extrude, and we will extrude it to the distance of 40 mm, and we will make it symmetric to the plane and click on OK. And now we will add the fillet. So we will select this edge and this edge by pressing the control key and click on the fillet, and here is a R20, so we will provide 19.99. click on OK, and now we will add the fillet to these two edges. So press the control key and select these two edge and click on the fillet and provide the value of 6 mm. Click on OK, and here we will provide the fillet of 2 mm. So select the edge and click on the fillet, give it 2 mm, say OK. And now we will create this cut So we will press 0 for isometric, select a face and click on the sketch. Switch to the isometric and click on the project geometry, and here we will select rectangle, and we will use the symmetricity. Select this point and this point, and deactivate the conflict constraint, and we will switch to the right view. Select this point and this point, and add the dimension of 14 mm, and select this line and add the dimension of 12, which is already is there, and we will provide the vertical dimension of 10 mm. Click on close, and we will select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here we will say true all. And now we will create this cut. So we will select the face and click on the sketch. We will switch to the isometric, and we will click on the project geometry and select a circle and create a circle and provide the diameter of 25, and we will also project this edge and select a line tool and create a line, and we will provide the angular dimension. Select this, and this will be the 135, and this line would be a construction line, and here we will switch to the top view. To make this view is normal, again come out of the sketch and go to the sketch, so then this face will be normal. And now we will draw the two line, and which will be the parallel to this construction line. Make it parallel. Select this and this and make it parallel, and here we will use the trim tool to remove the unnecessary geometry, and we will use the 3-point arc. Create an arc and create an arc, and now we will use the symmetricity. Select this point and this construction one, and we will select the conflict constraint, deactivate it, and we will select dimensions. Select this point and this line, and this is of a 5 mm wide, so we will provide it 5 mm. And now we will use the trim tool to trim the geometry, and let's deactivate it. And now let's see, find out what it unconstrained. So we will delete it. We will select this and this and say merge. Select trim and select 3-point arc, and made it equal. So we have a fully constrained sketch. We will come out of it and click on extrude cut, and we will say it true all. Say OK. Now we will create this slot. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, switch to the top view and click on the slot, and now we will select this point and this point, and add a vertical dimension of 6.6, And now we will select project edge and select this, and here we will switch to the wireframe, select horizontal dimension, select this and this, and add the value of a 12 mm. Center to center distance is of 18, so select this and this, provide the 18, and from the edge it is 10 mm, so we will click on project edge, select this point and add a vertical dimension of 10 mm. Click on close, press V7, select the sketch and click on extrude cut, say through all, and now we will mirror this slot on the other side, so we will click on the mirror, and from here we will select our reference and select this mid plane, click on OK. So this is how we have modeled this anchor clip in a FreeCAD with the help of part design workbench. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have enjoyed this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. Link is given in a video description. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.